What the heck?
Oh my God.
Oh
Oh my God, nilabas agad ni Exiled si Scares. The spoiler. Sino mauuna? Mauuna si si Blight Killer rin nag-stun. Ginantihan ng sariling stun. 15. Tangina sa wala ko na. Nag-stun!
Ay na, 35. Tapos nag-stun.
Mental attack. 44. Elemental attack. 11. 14 from the poison.
11.
Blighted Lightning. Barb with the
Uy,
stun!
na-stun. What the fuck?
Oh my God!
Una-
Ay. Ito na ang legendary Dark Poltergust. Ang
Oh,
sakit.
shit.
Engulf.
Oh, and gold.
35.
Sorry.
What is that defense? 1
Uy!
pero
Nanigas.
Oh, 20.
Masakit pang damage niya.
Oh!
oh,
Rin.
Wala.
oh,
Yun.
Nang-stun yan.
for a turn, Dark Deadly Draft with a stun. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys.
Sige, pahil mo
Ay,
muna.
wala ka ng spoiler. Mamaya.
It's now Erin versus si Spoiler. Mauna si Erin. Eerie Breeze is nag-miss ang sleep. Boulder Barrage getting 17 damage but 183 ang oh my God, Twister Toxin 13 rin. Spoiled Smack, my heal mababawi 15 HP.
Bug. Gago,
Oh my
what the
God.
heck?
Oh my
What
God,
the
close
fuck?
battle.
What the
1
fuck?
of 10 Mother Nature. It's Eerie Breeze. Sa Eerie Breeze ang magde-determine kung sinong mananalo. 31 nag-miss. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Poison back.
Bang.
Bug.
Ito, ulat.